smallest mobile phone in the world. Meet the Zanco Tiny T1.
I feel like it's a USB stick.
This fully functioning talk and text mobile phone is unbelievably tiny. It's the must-have novelty gift for any gadget lover. It's smaller than your thumb, it's lighter than a coin, and it is ridiculously cute. The first time you see it, you can't believe it exists. Your second thought is, does it work? Use the Tiny T1 as a backup or emergency phone that you can keep in your bag, pocket or glove compartment. You can travel light with the world's smallest mobile phone, and it's ideal for joggers, runners, walkers, cyclists, or if you're into extreme sports. Whether you're looking for a backup for safety on a night out, or maybe your smartphone doesn't fit your look, the Zanco Tiny T1 has you covered. Fit the Zanco Tiny T1 into your festival bag, so there's no worries about losing your expensive smartphone. Looking for a conversation starter? The world's smallest phone breaks the ice in any situation. You can save up to 300 numbers, make and receive calls, and even text. Be a part of the tiny revolution and be the first among your friends to own a piece of history.